Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSeaLabs.com. Billing is more in-depth information about your cloud costs. Here you can do filtering. You can display it as a chart. You can take a look on some specific period of time, like monthly, for example. Show options, show me credits. And for example, let's do filter. For example, show me only instance types, which is CD, C5D large, apply filter. Yeah, I do have some of them. The price is around, in February it was around $100, in March it's pretty much the same. So I can play with the filters, so it's like more in-depth analytics about your cloud costs. So for example, service. Let's take a look on how much, I don't know, KMS. Yeah, this is the price for my KMS. It's less than $4 per month. And it's pretty much the same for the last 4 months, which is good. It's not growing. Or, I don't know, let's take a look on just RDS. Yeah, Amazon Relational Database Service, and apply. And this is the price for my database. So I see that it's basically growing. For the last month in February it was 320, and currently for this month the estimation says it's going to be a little bit less than previous months, but again in total it's going to be around $300 per month for this month. Yeah, so this is the overall billing. What else you can do with that? You can go to the budget and you can set a budget limit. So I can create a limit saying that, for example, if my cloud cost hits like $1,000, $10,000, doesn't matter, please send me a notification. I want to know when I will hit some specific limit. And it can be per account, it can be per region, per month or per week, including tax or excluding tax, and so on. So you can play with that.